Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be discussing the new features from iOS 14.5. Okay, let's get into it. It now has the ability to unlock your iPhone 10 and later with Apple Watch Series 3 and later while wearing a face mask. Support for AirTag to keep track and find my important items privately and securely in Find My app. Precision finding uses visual, audible, and haptic feedback to guide you directly to your AirTag. AirTag can be located by playing a sound with the built-in speaker. To find my network with millions of devices to help find your AirTag even when it's not close by. Lost mode notifies you when your AirTag is found, and you can enter a phone number where you can be contacted. Emojis now support for separate skin tones for individual and all variations of the couple kissing emoji and couple with the heart emoji. There's also new face emojis, heart emojis, woman with a beard emoji. Here are some of the new emoji features. The skin tones does not apply to families. I don't use emojis much, but I would like to see different color options for these. Siri now includes more diverse voice options. Incoming calls can be announced with Siri, included who is calling when you're wearing AirPods, and you can answer hands-free. Group FaceTime calls are supported by asking Siri to FaceTime a list of contacts or a group name for messages. Emergency contacts can be called by asking Siri. In settings, scroll down and select Siri and search. Then select
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri.
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 Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me.
Hi, I'm Siri.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice.
Hi, I'm Siri. Choose the voice you'd like me to.
For privacy, ad tracking transparency lets you control which apps are allowed to track your activity across other companies, apps, and websites for ads or sharing with data brokers. When you click on the app, this message will appear. It lets you choose Ask Not to Track or Allow. 14.5.1 update is for users who previously disabled Allow apps to request to track may not receive prompts after re-enabling it. This update also provides important security updates. Let's see on the website what Apple says about the security updates. Right here. Processing maliciously crafted web content may lead to arbitrary code execution. Apple is aware of a report that this issue may have been actively exploited. Go to Settings, select Privacy, Tracking, and here lets you control which apps are allowed to track your activity. Apple Music now allows you to share your favorite lyrics using messages, Facebook and Instagram stories. City charts showcase what's popular in over 100 cities from all over the world. Podcast show pages has been redesigned to make it easier to start listening. Option to save and download episodes, automatically adding them to your library for quick access. Download behavior and notification settings can be customized on a show-by-show basis. Top charts and popular categories in search help you discover new shows. 5G improvements are for iPhone 12 models. First, the dual SIM support enables 5G connectivity on the line that's using cellular data. Next, Smart data mode improvements further optimize your experience on 5G networks for better battery life and data usage. And then 5G international roaming enable on supported carriers. Apple News has been redesigned to quickly find, download, and manage magazines and newspaper issues. And then all news search experience that helps you find relevant topics, channels, and stories. For maps, you can now report to Siri on your iPhone or Carplay about accidents, hazards, or speed checks along your routes. ETA can be shared when cycling or walking in addition to drive. For reminders, you now have the ability to sort reminders by title, priority, due date, or creation date, and the option to print your reminder list. You can now adjust your translation speed playback by long pressing the play button. Let's check out playback speeds from Translate. Just tested my playback speeds. Press and hold, and you got your different playback speeds.
Just testing my playback speeds. Just testing my playback speeds.
For gaming, Xbox and Sony wireless controllers are now supported. For fitness, the ability to stream audio and video content from Apple Fitness Plus, workouts to AirPlay 2 enabled TVs and devices. For CarPlay, ETA and Apple Maps can be easily shared while driving with new Siri or keyboard controls in CarPlay. There's also been fixes to the following issues.